na sa Google Classroom natin yung guide and templates for the lab report and the group activity. So group activity is yung ating machine shop safety, wherein we will be focusing on the safety of the lathe machine, and the lab report is all about lathe machine pa rin. So, yon, discuss ko lang siguro yung individual, no? Yung individual lab report. Wait lang. Mm-hmm. Wait lang. Okay, so, ayan, for the individual report. So, kita naman sa screen, no? I'm sharing my screen right now. So, let me discuss first yung other details muna. No? So, yung paper size na gagamitin natin is 8.5 by 11. So, a visible margin na 1.27, top, bottom, right, and left. Then, the report should be handwritten using engineering lettering. On the upper left ng report, so, you put your name, your SR code, the subject code and title. And yun nga, as mentioned, this should reflect on the first page of the report located on the upper left. Okay. So how you're going to start your lab report. So first is yung details. Introduction, what is lathe machine, basic functions, the basic operations it can perform, and the machine safety watch-outs. And after the introduction, you can include some of the photos that you have captured during our walkthrough. So, I'm expecting na magkakaiba kayo ng picture that we'll be attaching since we do inspect different machines, no? Okay. So, on the after the introduction, you can include na yung per parts ng lathe machine. You can use the picture of the lathe machine that I've sent to you sa messengers, no? Yung we use as a guide during our walkthrough. So, pwede nyo rin siyang gawing guide sa lab report natin. So, what I am expecting is that you include yung part, yung name ng part, yung basic function, and yung material used for that specific part. So, yun lang yung i-research nyo. Then again, per part, you can attach photos. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you can paste it or you can cut or paste it. Or if magaling naman kayo magtansya, you can print it and then parang doon na kayo magsulat. But I think much better if you paste the picture. No? And then if masyadong malaki yung picture, no, and hindi ganun ka-visible yung part, you can put a red circle, no, to for us to have a visibility dun sa part na gusto nyo ipakita. So, yun lang naman for the individual report. So, some of the frequently asked questions kanina. So, is it a visible margin? Yes, visible margin. Again, 1.27 cm top, bottom, right, and left. And then, pwede po bang all caps? Yes. You can write it ng all caps. Pwede rin namang hindi. But what I'm expecting is that you will write it using engineering lettering. So, yan lang naman yung some of the questions that was asked kanina. So, may tanong pa ba kayo for the individual report? Sige po. Miguel.
Sir, pwede nga po ulit yung ano, no, yung printed na po yung picture. Kumbaga tatansyahin na lang po para magkasya po yung isusulat.
Pwede naman yun. Basta, baka naman may singit, no? Basta galingan nyo na lang yung pagtansya. But pwede naman yun.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po.
Other questions? So, wag nyo muna pala siyang i-staple, no? Let's scan it first kasi parang much better if meron din tayong soft copy, no? But yun, sige. Riel, Alfred. Sige po, go ahead.
Sir, doon po sir sa picture po.
Oo.
Hello po, pakanin niyo po ako sir.
Rinig. Go ahead.
Doon po sa picture, one picture per page po ba? Or pwede po pagkasyahin?
Pwede nyo naman pagkasyahin, you can compress if ever. But let's ensure naman na, sabi ko nga sa inyo, parang not necessarily na mahaba naman yung report. Parang you capture all the important items lang. For example, yung mga basic function, not necessarily that you put it on essay, but you can write naman bulleted, or kung ano man, kung paano nyo i-present yung lab report nyo. But I'm expecting na yung mga important details na lang yung ilagay nyo, no, para hindi ganun din kahaba. So yun, pwede naman na pagkasyahin nyo dun sa isang papel, if ever.
Thank you po, sir. Sir, isa pa po. Doon
Sige.
po sa, meron pong front page po ba kayo? Para pong meron pong
Wala na.
front page
So,
pa po.
wala nang
Okay.
front page. Yun na lang, yun nga, let's ensure na lang yung name, SR code, subject code, and title ay visible and reflected on the first page, located on the upper left.
Thank you po, sir.
Sige. Other questions pa? Okay, so, Alvin, sige. Barola.
Yun pong mga SR code, number code, tsaka name po, pasok po siya doon sa margin po or
Yes.
kalabas po ng margin.
Oo, sa loob siya ng margin. Inside the margin.
Thank you po. Ay, ano ba yun? Lahat po ng page ay may isa-isa po or kahit unahan lang.
Hindi naman. First page lang po.
Thank you po.
Okay. JC, di malibot.
Sir, ask ko lang po, doon po sa deadline, kailan po kaya ipapasa? Thank you po.
Okay. Regarding sa deadline, you can submit it until 6:30 p.m. next week, Sunday. Kaya yon. If ever, no? Sige, kung wala namang violent reaction, then ayun, let's align. You'll be submitting the lab report by next week, Sunday at 6:30 p.m. No?
Thank you po.
Sige. Other questions po before I proceed with the discussion naman ng group activity? Okay. Sige. I'll be presenting na yung yung group activity so that you could have your lunch na at 12. So mabilis lang din to. Wala rin namang masyadong raised question kanina, but yan, i-discuss ko na lang din so that you have your guide. Sorry, hindi ko siya ma-zoom. Nagloloko yung Excel ko. No? But, ayan, I already shared with you the template that we will be using. So, meron lang siyang one workbook. No? But sabi ko nga kanina with the other section is that you can divide yung lathe machine into sections para hindi siya masyadong malaki. No? Kasi I think if we put in yung buong machine dito sa one workbook, so baka sobrang compressed na rin ng details. So I think if better if you could divide it to 8 sections, 6 sections. So parang halimbawa you focus on the control, parang that would be your first section, wherein parang yung mga assembly, yung mga feedstock assembly, yung head assembly are parang reflected. Then the second one, doon kayo sa bed, wherein yung mga mechanical components such as chuck, yung mga spindle, yung mga tail assembly, ayan, so parang visible doon. Para hindi siya masyadong compressed into one worksheet, no? And then parang mas madali rin and visible din with the titingin na hindi masyadong naka-zoom out, no? Yun. So again, you can use yung mga photos that you've captured. Pero if ever na some of the machines, ayun nga, wala siya, di bang mga spindle yung other machines, no? Parang remove yung chuck, remove yung spindle, then I think you could ask your classmates naman. But yun, it should reflect on the safety map, lahat ng mga features ng machine, from mechanical to electrical. So I think wala namang pneumatic, no? Parang most likely the hazard involved is mechanical and electrical only. but the rest of the hazard siguro wala na akong nakikita rin naman. And mostly I think mechanical hazard yung visible, yung pwede nating most likely na mangyari sa atin doon. So yun lang siguro yung dapat kong makita with the group report. Tapos nag-share din ako ng PowerPoint for the PPEs, yung mga example ng PPEs. Mag-open ako ng isa para lang mabilis. If i-visit nyo yung GMeet nyo, merong safety map for PPE. But that's our samples lang, no? Yung face protection, eye protection, hair protection, body protection, hand protection, and foot protection. So, I think you could use it as your guide then, no? For the PPEs dun sa right side. Okay. Then, ano pa ba? Yun, yung yun lang, yung utang ko sa inyo is yung mga cautions and warning sign. I'm not able to retrieve the file sa laptop ko no kanina. Kahapon ko pa rin tinatry but I wasn't able to retrieve the files. But I've checked online and may mga warnings and caution signs naman tayo that are available and downloadable on site. So I think you much better if you look for OSHA, no? Ayan yung occupational safety and health natin that we use in the Philippines. But I think yan naman ay naka-pattern lang din with occupational safety and health ng European, no? And the US. And then I think you could utilize some of the caution signs that makita nyo sa site. But rest assured na yung magagamitin nyo namang caution signs, no? If may mga wordings doon, I make sure na siya ay English or yung language that we both know, no? Kasi katulad nung natin, yung lathe machine natin, we're in German, di ba? So hindi natin ma-interpret natin yung some of the wordings na ginamit. So yun, you look for OSHA sa net, no, as guide for the warning and caution signs. But the template, ayan, yung template natin on the left side, you could include yung logo ng BSU, no? You put the logo of BSU wherein yung updated logo na yung the National Engineering University. And then dun sa pinakataas na part, you could include yung apelyido nyo. Yung mga surnames na lang ng each member. So yun, for the revision, you put revision number 1. So wala pa naman tayo. So as document code lang. So you can input 1 on the revision number. And then yung date, yung creation date ay yung date wherein you will be submitting this file. So by next week, parang sabi natin ipapasa natin siya next week, no? So that would be on February 25 at 6:30 p.m. So yun na lang yung maging creation date niya. So if may mga questions naman kayo regarding the activity, you could park it naman sa messenger natin, sa messenger group natin para mabilis akong makarespond din. Pero yun, may question pa ba doon sa group activity? Ayun, i-discuss ko lang din mabilis, no? So kita nyo naman dito yung photo, this is an equipment. I think ito ay extractor ng coffee. So kung makikita nyo yan, may mga hot surface, gumamit siya ng ball valve, may yung letter B dito, yung lotto, kita nyo yung lock. I think that's I think that's the only safety device that we could have sa lathe machine natin, yung lotto, yung lockout natin. So I think dapat makita ko to sa ating group activity. The rest, ayan, kung may makikita kayo na heavy object sa taas, gana na pwede kayong mauntog, then you can use hard hat. Pero I think wala naman, so parang pwedeng hindi tayo gumamit nun. But yun, kung may mga hot surface, then itong number 2, makikita nyo to, itong signage na to, parang it represents a hot surface. So yun, kita na agad or visible na to the eye of the operator na this portion of the equipment is hot surface. No? So yun, detected na agad. So yun lang naman yung natin. Then some of the PPEs, you could put it on the right side. No? Ito katulad nito, parang anong ginamit niya dito, gloves and hard hat. So visible on the right side nitong safety map yung mga PPEs. So nilagay rin niya dito na personal protective equipment, hard resistant gloves must be worn and hard hat must be worn. So yun, yun lang yung example natin. Again, you could divide it into section, yung buong equipment, para hindi masyadong compressed or hindi masyadong crowded kasi pag isang buong machine yung nilagay niyo sa isang workbook at worksheet, sobrang nakakaduling tingnan. Sige, same lang din. You could submit this then ng Sunday din. Along with your individual lab reports. May question pa? Wala nang tanong.
Wala
Magtanong.
naman po.
Sige. Okay, kung wala na, tayo ay maghiwa-hiwalay na. Wow, maghiwa-hiwalay. Sige. Pwede na kayong mag-lunch.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.